Welcome to the fascinating world of probability theory. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most fundamental yet misunderstood concepts, independent events and the simple multiplication rule. In a world driven by data, understanding how different events relate to each other is crucial for everything from weather forecasting to financial modeling. To understand independence, we first need a definition. Two events, A and B, are considered independent if the occurrence of one does not change the probability of the other occurring. Think of a coin toss. If you flip heads now, the probability of flipping heads again remains exactly 50%. The coin has no memory. According to John E. Fraun's mathematical statistics, this lack of influence is what defines the relationship. The mathematical magic happens with the simple multiplication rule. It states that the probability of both independent events A and B occurring is the product of their individual probabilities. Formally, P of A and B equals P of A times P of B. This looks simple, but its implications are massive. It allows us to calculate the likelihood of complex sequences of events by breaking them down into their basic components. Let's look at a practical, everyday example: rolling a die and flipping a coin simultaneously. These are clearly independent. The die doesn't care about the coin. The probability of rolling a 6 is 1/6, and the probability of heads is 1/2. By applying our rule, the chance of getting both a 6 and heads is 1/6 times 1/2, which equals 1/12, or approximately 8.33%. Now let's scale this up to high-stakes technology, data centers, and redundancy. Modern servers, like those used by Google or Amazon, rely on independent components. If a single power supply has a 1% chance of failing, 0.01, engineers install a second independent one. The probability of both failing and the system going down drops to 0.01 times 0.01, which is 0.0001 or 0.01%. This is how high availability is achieved in the digital age. However, we must be careful with the gambler's fallacy. Many people believe that if a roulette wheel has landed on red 5 times in a row, black is due. This is a cognitive bias. If the trials are independent, the history does not matter. The probability remains constant. As noted in Gujrati's Basic Economics, treating dependent events as independent is one of the most common errors in statistical modeling. In summary, the simple multiplication rule is a powerful tool for calculating the intersection of independent risks and opportunities. Whether you are calculating the reliability of a SpaceX rocket or the odds of a winning parlay in sports betting, independence is your starting point. Master the product, and you master the prediction. Thank you for joining this exploration of probability. For further study, consult Mathematical Statistics by John E. Fraun and Basic Economics by Damodar Gujrati. Keep calculating and stay curious.